Hello and welcome back to Tammy's antique restoration site here, channel. Anyhow, I wanted to bring her back out so you could get some close-ups of her. So Stephen, just kind of go in on her face, just don't zoom it, just walk into it, yeah. Then you get to see her features really nice and clear. Yeah, there we go. There's baby Love'ems. This is a 20-inch baby Love'ems. Just want you to see her face up close. Okay, now you back off and we're going to go to the next thing here. Now the next thing that I'm going to talk about here is where am I when it comes to this doll's body now. Okay, I'm going to start sewing here in a little bit. Take her away. So what I've done is that I've laid the material down, the body down on the material. And then I cut out what I wanted. So I wanted to extend it on each side of, on each side a bit. Oh my goodness, on each side. Okay, that's what I did. I didn't need to extend too much at the bottom. I'm quite happy with here. But what I really was concentrating on, I wanted a little bit up here as well. So that's what I went with up here. I just made it a little bit longer up here so that I have enough to fold and sew up around the shoulder area. The arms will go right into the sides here. So I've marked off where the darts are on this here. So I've got the darts in there now. So now all I need, this is, the body will be pretty much the same length. It's just, this is what I call sewing material, just to give me a little bit more give than what was given to me up here for that doll's body. So now, so I'm going to start sewing in a little bit, and I thought about making two bodies, but that's not necessary. I'm just going to show you this. This is step one. So you see that I pinned it. I cut two out. There's two here, back and front, because both these bodies are the same. There's no difference between the back to the front. If there was a built-in ledge bum in here, which some have, then I would have to make a second, like I would not have cut out two. With this here, this is the same as what the front is, so I don't need to cut out. Okay, what I'm trying to say is that I didn't need to use this one. One was enough. They're both the same, the back to the front, and they both get a dart in them as well, so that the doll can sit, so the legs can bend, and you get this built-in ledge for a bum on the doll. And where some dolls have this built-in one that you would have to sew in, and that'll be another sewing day. But this one here is a very straightforward type of body. There's not much to this one. It's very simple, actually, very simplistic body. The only thing, like I said, I've extended it a bit so that I can have better hems, so that when I sew this up, my seams will be, I'm not hem, seams, I have a little bit more give for seams on the side here. I just extended it a little bit more. But I will be bringing it in, but it just gives me more material to work with. That's all I'm looking at. This is a wonderful material to cut and everything. Got my sewing machine out here. I just have to put my thread, I got my thread to match this. There it is. So my thread is there. I have my thread ready. I just have to make a bobbin with that colored thread, and I'm ready to go. And the next thing that I'll be videotaping is me sewing this up next. So there's no need for making two of them. I didn't think it was after I got going here. You can see what I've done. I didn't make a pattern. I just made this my pattern. I just pinned it on like you see how I did, and I just took a ruler and just extended it up above and penciled. This is the inside of the material, so there's a lot of pencil marks on the inside, and the outside would be nice and clean. Okay? So always cut from your, I use the inside of my material. This is the part of the material that does not stretch at all, so you got a nice solid body here. So anyways, there we go. The next step we're ready is to sew next. I don't know if I'll do it tonight. We'll see. I got some other things I got to do, but hey, we'll see. So anyways, have a great night, and
thank you for joining us.
Bye-bye.